How to buy customized crypto tokens. We're excited to show you how you can buy customized crypto tokens. There are 3 parts in this guide, but don't worry, we'll make it simple. Here's the big picture of what needs to be done. Sync wallet from Trader's Room. Buy customized crypto tokens on TEX. Transfer tokens to TR wallet using pull action. Before we start, make sure to log in to your TriumphFX Trader's Room account on www.tfxi.com first. Click on My Account, then Trader's Room Account Balance. In order to sync the respective customized crypto tokens on your TR wallet, click on the Sync button. Go to desk.texc.com and log in to your TEX account. Select Exchange on the side menu. We'll be using the Pro version from the Custom Workspaces list to demonstrate how this works. Choose your customized crypto tokens and buy using limit order or market price. For limit order, enter your desired buy amount and price, then click on Buy. You can then click on Open Order to check your pending orders. Once the order is fulfilled, it will be moved to the Filled Orders section. You'll be able to see your newly purchased customized crypto tokens in your wallet once the transaction is processed. For the last part, we'll need to switch back to your Trader's Room account. Once you're there, click on My Account, then Trader's Room Account Balance. On the right section, select Pull. Choose TEX as your service terminal, then select the customized crypto token that you want to transfer to your TR wallet. Enter the transfer amount and add remarks if you have any. Finally, proceed by clicking on Submit. You can always check your pull request status by clicking on History. Congrats, you made it to the end.